Welcome to the Yeeflow Form Report tutorial series. Today, we delve into form report permissions. Explore how to control and customize permissions of your form report. To edit permission settings, navigate to your specific form report page. Locate the More Settings button in the top right corner. Click it and select Access Permission from the menu. This action will bring up the Access Permission Settings window. Here, you'll find a set of options to configure permissions, much like in the form report creation wizard. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of adjusting permission settings. By default, a form report inherits permissions from its parent application. If you want independent permissions, uncheck Inherit from Application. If inheritance is disabled, administrators can be designated for the form report, granting them privileges like editing, modifying settings, creating and managing data views, and moving or deleting the form report. Additionally, users who can view the form report can be specified, allowing either specified users or all users to access it. Export permissions give you control over data export capabilities. If this option is enabled, you can further specify whether only certain users or all users can perform this action. Click OK to save the changes. So you can export the report by clicking the Export button. If this option is unchecked, the Export button will no longer appear. Let's address a specific detail: form detail access in data views. Every form report comes with a default data view, like all items. To modify form detail access, click More Settings, then Edit View. In the View Settings window, locate Allow users to access the form's detail page. This permission determines whether users can view the form's detail page. Checking this box will permit users to open the form's detail page when accessing this specific data view. Conversely, unchecking this box restricts users from accessing the form's detail page, even though they may still view the form report's data. Normally, the default view inherits the permissions of the form report, which are immutable. If your form report includes multiple views, you can customize the view permissions for each view, except for the default one. To modify permissions, proceed to the desired data view, click More Settings, then select Edit View. In the View Settings window, locate View Permission. Here, you can select all users or designate specified users. We've set this view for the Customer Service Department. For people who are not in this department, their form reports will not show this view. You may also configure the Form Detail Access setting, which is unique to each data view within a form report and requires a separate configuration. You can manage these settings individually for each data view to enhance flexibility. Follow these simple steps to manage access to your Yeeflow form reports efficiently, ensuring appropriate individuals access relevant data at the correct time. Thanks for joining us on this tutorial. Stay tuned for more Yeeflow tutorials to enhance your form report capabilities.